Find a present there, Charlotte?
Or Charlotte's.
You got a present?
What did it bring you, sweetheart?
What do you got? What do you got?
I'm gonna open it up. Shake it. Smell it. What else can
You gonna trade it? I think I'm gonna put this one down and get a bigger one.
Oh.
I think that's for her
What'd you
anyways.
do?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
for
is it?
Charlotte.
That is her
Awesome.
present.
The odds are in your favor. It's a lot for the kids. Finger under the paper. Open it up. Shake it. Shake it. What's in there? What's in there?
You want me to open it for you? Is it Mark?
No.
No.
Mine.
Mine.
She's excited.
Mine.
Mine?
Mine?
Oh, I don't know if that one's for you.
Oh, that one's the breakable one.
Oh, that one's for
But I guess I...
Oh.
Such curiosity.
Dora paper.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Dora paper.
Oh.
Oh.
And she's going into the present.
And down.
And she's gone.
Come on,